on the wheelchair. You would proud today to know this. This is India's first organization who do professionally classical dance on the wheelchair. I hope you have seen the performers are performing on a wheelchair. Thank you. The boys performing on a wheelchair, yes, you can say they are differently able. But there are four beautiful girls with me right now. Is there anyone who can find any disability in these girls? Are they look like differently able? Are they look disabled people? These girls. Anyone can say they are differently able? No, because I just want to tell you one thing, that disability is just only a state of mind and nothing else. Am I true or not? Disability is just only a state of mind and nothing else. But I want to tell you one thing, that what music you are listening, this music you were listening, this was only for you all. Only for those performers who are performing on a wheelchair. Not for them. They are performing without hearing the music. So how you all can appreciate them? Thank you, but I told you that they cannot hear and speak. Correct, ma'am? You can do one thing, that just raise your both the hands. Raise your both the hands in the air. This is how you can applaud any hearing impaired persons. I asked a question that performing in Chennai, performing for the Ford, are you happy to perform here? Okay, first time she's performed, she came to Ford company in Chennai, and you are performing our performance. We are so happy, and if you love our dance, can you please once again applause for Lance? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. In sign language, you can say a thank you, and welcome, you can say like this. So the next performance, which is very close to my heart, or your performance, this performance has won many awards and international recognition, and this performance we have performed in many countries. And today you are going to see live 10 avatars of Lord Mahavishnu on the wheelchair, because this is Bhagavad Gita on the wheelchair. So I would like to request to each one of you, big round of applause for once again India's one and only organization, We Are One. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Artist needs to be a little bit time, but before seeing this performance, there was a little bit question that while our wheelchair dancers are there on stage, what people think that wheelchair is a symbol of disability. There are lots of people who think that wheelchair is a symbol of disability, but I want to give the message to society that wheelchair should not be the symbol of disability, it should be the symbol of ability. This is my message to the society, that whenever you saw any differently able people, so please do not judge them with the mercy eyes, because they can give you a transforming life. They can give you anything, whatever you wish in your life, because these performances are remarkable performances. You would proud to know that recently we have performed for President of India, Shri Draupadi Murmu ji. So we got applause for once again for We Are One. Thank you so much, everyone.
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खम् भीमकर्मामृगोदरः सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयामीच्युत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयामीच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थिता न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्णा न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्दा किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा। आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वशुराः पौत्राः श्यालाः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्थे मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्व कर्मणि अपरं भवतो जन्म परं जन्म विवस्वतः रथमेतद्विजानीयां त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवानिति यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे एवमेतद्यथार्थत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम सहस्रशः नानाविधानि द्यूयानि नानावर्णाकृतीनि च दिव्याभरणं दिव्यानेकोद्यतायुधम् भवेद्युगपरुद्धिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः।